Welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday, the 27th of January with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. And are we in the process of a bit of a bull flag pattern? It's possible because we've seen sort of more of a consolidation in the past couple of days develop. But look at the improvement we've got, which is evident on the momentum indicators. Across the RSI improving, MACD lines having turned up, stochastics also improving. But this consolidation is running the RSI around about that 50 point, isn't it? And it needs to break up to the upside. But these 3 days has sort of turned into a bit of a slight on the hourly chart, sort of possibility of a bull flag. Now this bull flag I think needs to go pretty quickly now to the upside. So 1860 is the initial resistance of yesterday's high. 1887 was the absolute high that we've had in this phase, but again 1887, this sort of still with the prospect of this being that old support new resistance line at 1875. So basically that there is a resistance between 1860 and 1887 area, sort of like 30 ticks, let's just call it, of resistance that needs to break out. If you can break out to the upside, that would continue this sort of bull flag pattern and move higher. It's slight consolidation at the moment. Obviously, we've got the Fed at the moment in the sights of traders, and what we're seeing is a bit of a consolidation. Sorry, I've just zoomed in too far. Bit of a consolidation around this sort of old pivot levels. One coming in around that 1810 mark, so 18 figure actually was the low just now. But yeah, I mean, we need to sort of start holding on to these levels, this 18 figure, and sort of building towards a test of 1860. But the momentum indicators are fairly neutral, not really showing either way. This is still very much in the possibility stage rather than sort of something you should go with any conviction at. But certainly at the moment there is this sort of consolidation around the key resistance levels, and if you break out above that 1887 mark, you could well go away quite quickly back towards 120 area, and certainly there is the prospect of further upside. But yes, this is a possibility here, and it depends on, I think, how the Fed comes out. If the Fed remains pretty hawkish, then you could well see some dollar strengthening, and that would help to drive the recovery. So that would probably be the outcome from that Fed meeting if that were to be the case, and then sort of pressure back on the 118.87 level. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.